If you use your iPhone every day, this is something you should be doing once a week. Almost no one does it, and that's why their iPhone feels slow. Apps keep running in the background. Memory slowly fills up. And over time, your iPhone can feel laggy, buggy, or just off. Here's the fix. When you restart your iPhone, iOS clears temporary memory, stops hidden background processes, and gives your phone a fresh start. And it's not just about speed. This also helps fix random glitches, battery drain, Wi-Fi issues, Bluetooth problems, and even minor security risks. That's why security experts recommend doing this regularly. Once a week, turn off your iPhone. Leave it off for about 5 minutes. Then turn it back on. That's it. Try this for 1 month and notice the difference. For more iPhone tips, follow and subscribe.